Okay, this is almost as much for me as it is for anybody else because I'm a little shaky on it myself. So we'll work through it. And this is how we get the daily price updates so that when we're doing these price matching for looking for price drops, we have the most up-to-date pricing. So here we go. We're going to go to SKU Grid and go to Import Export and export CSV. This takes a bit. Then click here to download CSV. Here it is down there. So we're going to go to Google Drive, and this you can access via my email. We want to get a new Google Sheet. Then we want to upload that thing we just downloaded from SKU Grid. So open, upload, select a file, and it's going to be right here. Open. Now, when this loads, we have to remove everything, all the columns except for, let's see, local ID, and hold on a second. Okay, the only thing we're going to want is this, I'm sorry I was wrong before, this column P, which is reprice SKU, and vendor price column E. So in order to get rid of these first four columns, you hit the shift button and then hit here to here, and that'll get rid of everything before vendor price. So let's just delete. Alright, now we're going to want to keep vendor price. I gotta get rid of these. I don't want vendor price highlighted. I don't want vendor price highlighted. Okay. So we start here, but again pushing the shift button and go all the way over to K because we want reprice SKU, and delete these. And then let's just delete these last columns here. Alright, so now we have vendor price and reprice SKU. This is what we want. Okay, now we're going to want to sort these two columns, so we're going to highlight them both. Again, clicking the shift key. We'll go up here to data, and it's sort range. And then you got to click this data has header row and sort by reprice SKU. And then click sort. Alright. Okay, and for the next part of this, we're going to need the price matching sheet. It's version 2. So we're going to bring that up. Alright. Okay, now we got to update this. This I think I did 2 days ago. So it needs to be updated with today's price. Okay, next what we're going to do is take the reprice SKU and just highlight that. We need to copy this and put it over into eBay ID. Paste. No, that wasn't right. I think I need to highlight the whole column. Okay, there we go. And then the next thing we need to do by the way, this is eBay ID. You got to rename that. Okay, and then next